Okay, we're starting the construction of the chicken coop using the miter saw. We've got the miter saw tilted over to about 18, or it's about 20 degrees really. But you can see how I've got it tilted like that because we're going to make an angle for the roof. So it's going to be about like that. So starting on the frame right now. We'll follow up. All right, we got the front ready to frame out. We're not going to use a frame and nail gun because this is outdoor treated wood, so we're going to use some deck screws that are coated so they'll last a little bit longer. So this is the bottom. You got the top up there, and then the coop is going to go in this region here, and then the door is going to go in this middle, this larger region here. You'll notice that we cut this at an angle because we want the roof to have a slant to it. It's going to have a metal roof that slants backwards. Well, we just framed the back, so the front is kind of closest to the building. We just framed the back, and the back wall has this window in it. So, and then underneath the window and kind of over here to the right, it's just going to be hardware cloth, which is just a heavy-duty screening to keep raccoons and stuff out of the chickens. So, process continues. Okay, this is what we're calling the back wall. We got the window in it. I was showing you that a minute ago. We're about to put some hardware cloth on it. And again, hardware cloth is this metal mesh stuff to keep predators out. So I'll take another little quick video when we finish with it. Okay, so we got the hardware cloth on. Probably see it, little fencing. We used a pneumatic stapler for that, but then we're doing some fancy trim work. So this is just some fence panels that we cut, and we're just dressing out the window to make it look a little nicer. I'll show you another video when we finish that. We're using my pneumatic trim gun for that. So you can see how I'm stacking them here like this, about a ½ inch each one. All right, so this is what I'm again calling the back panels done. So see how we kind of trimmed it out there just to kind of make it look a little bit better. So it's a fancy chicken coop. Okay, I'm just going to do like a little final video. Finished up the chicken coop. There's Larry the chicken there. Thought I'd show you a couple of things I did here. So cut this vent in. This is adjustable here, so I can let more or less air come in. Finished up the top part. Wasn't able to keep layering it like that because it was going to have the rainwater come right on top of the wood, and that's going to make it rot faster. So installed this little chain, little guard thing here. It's the nest box, and it lifts up. You can get the eggs right there. So put this window in. When I put one of these screws in, it cracked the window, and then the crack is just going all the way across. I'm going to see if it maintains. If it stays fine, it's fine. I don't really care that it looks like that. But it makes a little door here. I can get inside the coop. There's the nesting box here. There's the vent there. There's another vent up here. This is a little roost I made for them. I think it's a little bit too high, so I'm going to put another one. I'll put another roost right down here somewhere, kind of a little bit lower for them. That's my door over there. That's an automatic door. So it opens at 6:30 in the morning and it closes at 9 at night. It's really pretty nice. Runs on 4 AA's. I did a couple of little ramps here for them to come down because they won't be able to get in the door otherwise. Put this branch in here just for something to kind of climb on. They just like to climb. You can see the tin roof from the underside here, right? Should keep them nice and dry. Got another vent here. That's their food thing there. It's connected to this little place over here, which is my run. I made that previously a couple years ago, so I just connected it to that. So it's got a lot of open space down here for them. So I'm going to put in some other little kind of things like branches and stuff for them to climb on. They just like to climb on stuff. So I'm going to do that later. But this is my little solar powered night light. Comes on at night. It's a motion detector. Put the screen door in. These are barrel bolts, and barrel bolts are supposed to keep predators out. So I have one here and I have one at the bottom. It keeps it nice and secure. You can also see I ran the hardware cloth about a foot here, and I just keep piling dirt on it, and then eventually it'll kind of keep getting pressed down, and that's to keep predators from digging underneath it. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. Still got a couple other little modifications I need to do to it, just kind of tweaks, honestly, but it's pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. So